Oh no, look, fog. It's gonna fog it up because it's cold in the room and hot outside. Okay, so good morning from Pop Century. It is 9:15 in the morning. We're running about an hour behind. I guess because we were just so exhausted and sleeping that we just needed to sleep. Our bodies said, nope, you're staying in bed. Sleep, sleep, sleep. So that's what we did. But we're headed over to Animal Kingdom this morning. We have a few fast passes that we would like to use and a few things in between. And sorry, you guys can't see anything. It's still foggy. I straightened my hair this morning. I didn't curl it. There's just no sense because the humidity would just tear it apart anyway. So it just makes it a lot easier to keep it straight. Courtney always has hers straight anyway. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning and lots of construction, lots of workers. See, lots of workers, lots of construction. And they'll all be like, ooh, look at those girlies, la la la. Ooh la la. Hello, hello, hello. Or hola. For your Hispanic friends. Look at it, still so foggy. And I have this new bag that I'm using. I'm gonna try out. I'll have Courtney get a shot of me here. And just when the camera like unfogs itself, that way you guys can see it. So for now, we're gonna go. The clouds are not looking very favorable for us today, but I do have my umbrella, so that's a good thing. And I just wanted to show you guys too all of the construction that's going on around here. Lots and lots of construction going on. And that's the way you go to Hollywood Studios. You just got to take the exit to the right. But look at all the construction. They're trying to, I guess I'm hoping, widen the roads, making them wider, making them more, I don't know, driver user friendly. Don't know. Animal Kingdom straight ahead. Let's see.
Giraffe 41, that's where you're going to find giraffe 40 or 41. So some note is cheetah with a very long neck. Do you ever get it? Lower your neck, watch your step. Welcome aboard, welcome aboard. Once we get to the main Disney's Animal Kingdom, all persons in bed are subject to screening. So if you have a selfie stick, weapons of any kind.
The Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period. And I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course.
Y mantengan las manos, brazos pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo.
Here we go.
No recoja un dinosaurio. Gracias. Hey, rovers, it's Jessie.
Excited about this one? Yeah. It's fun. No.
At all times.
This is her first time on this one.
Arms, feet, and legs inside your time machine.
Oh no.
Watch your children.
They should come up if you're afraid of mice.
Attacking dinosaurs.
Here we go. See how it whips you around? Oh. I think you're plugging your ears. Oh no, I put my earrings on. Here we go! Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Ow! It's a lot easier with other people sitting next to you because it's not so... Jeez! Oh Lord! We have a hill. really break my ribs. Yikes. I know. Yikes. Well, that was fun. Time's up. Good deal. Woo. Rain. And we have taken cover again. Wow. You feel it, right? Are you pretty dry? You okay? Oh no. Oh jeez. It's just getting hard. You like it, buddy? See, it's almost over. It's gonna slow down. Alright. Are we heading? Let me, Alrighty, Bill, because it was pouring down rain and we decided to jump into Yak and Yeti and see if they had any room for us, and they sure did. So we decided to eat at Yak and Yeti, and this is our first time, my first time, and actually Courtney's first time as well, eating at Yak and Yeti. And I kind of really wanted to get these sriracha fish tacos, but I'm afraid they're going to be like so hot that it's going to upset my stomach. So I'm going to skip that for now, maybe another time. But I think I'm just going to get the tuna nachos. And that sounds so good. Oh, I don't like wasabi. Oh no. Like, hold the wasabi. Maybe they don't. But anyway, so that is $14.99, and Courtney's gonna get the sweet and sour chicken, which is $18.99. So, oh, they have teriyaki chicken. Oh, maybe I'll get that. Marinated chicken, pineapple, onion, pepper, skewers, teriyaki. Okay, change my mind. I'm getting teriyaki chicken. Get it. So I'm getting teriyaki chicken instead of the tuna nachos, and this is $20.99. So that's what I'm getting. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get back. Okay, oh my god, this looks amazing. So I got teriyaki chicken, and it comes with rice and some leaves and some veggies. It looks amazing. And this is what Courtney got. Courtney got sweet and sour chicken with some weeds. But you can eat that. It's just like peppers. And I think the other stuff is like parsley or something. I don't know. What do you think? It's banana peppers. Oh, banana peppers. Okay, yeah, there you go. Good? Yeah? You like it? Cool. Yum, yum, yum. Let's eat.
I made this cheese.
I just can't wait to
Hello! Hello! Hey, taco monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section.
Pretty warthogs, it's your turn. Time for some snorkeling. 1, 2, 3.
Let's show Simple where he is. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yep, it's the Williams section, all right. Go!
umbrellas. So Courtney, tell me what your thoughts were about.
I liked it. It was cute.
Did you like it? Yeah. I kind of figured you would.
What?
I said I kind of figured you would enjoy that. Yeah.
I love shows like that.
Yeah. Oh, then you're gonna love Nemo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it finally kind of stopped raining. Busted. That's funny. Now we're heading over to see if we can get on Everest. I don't know if we can. We may have missed our fast pass because of the rain. So I'm not sure. For Everest, we'll have to see. It's starting to get sunny though. That's a plus. I'm okay with that. Oh, poor strollers. Soakied. Alright, no.
What was that? What was that?
He said one of the babies.
Oh, yuck. Yeah. You can tell when a show lets out.
Yeah.
That thing lines up and it perfectly fits the mountain.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Isn't that the neatest? Pretty cool, huh? I love it. Here's our ride, Courtney.
Attention Expedition Everest base members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag equipment. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
I don't think so either.
Miembro del equipo de expedición.
Hold on to it, girl.
Habéis a bordo coloquen sus efectos personales en la bolsa delante del asiento para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y por favor, cuide a los niños.
Yeah. Bye. Huh? Yes, I always do. I usually wrap this. See, I wrap it around my wrist. Bing, bing, bing. And then I go like this. Ah! No, we're taking video. awesome. Heck yeah. That's fun. Yeah, it is. That's a good ride.
Yeah, I love that. That is the best ride.
You're gonna love it.
Wow. Look at this spectacular view. Did your husband deliver or did he deliver?
What? Something? Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, we can end one name over. I'd like most of them
Every
to
show.
be Marlin Jr. Cool. No, cool. Don't go out there. Coral. Coral. Don't let anything happen to you. All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge. Now, what's the one thing we remember before we head out from here?
So we have to check if the coast is clear.
Right. We go out, then back in, then we go out, then back in, and one more time out. Times, if you want to do it 4 times.
Hey Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I made even a shark when I'm in school? Or an angelfish? Is it true that they have wings?
Our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends, not food. Though we have culture and meat, we know that fish are friends, not food. Well, sometimes we know. Sure, we could leave you out, but we have self-got fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
The stress of life in the ocean only, emotionally. When you need help getting through it, and getting straight to our name. Oh yes, we see the light. Each day we fight the fight to curb our rampage fight and change our fish are free. Fish are free. Fish are free. No fish are friends, not food. Like the brothers, gentlemen.
Hey, look, that nest belonged to the tiger that took my son.
Hey, look, sharks! I think they can help. Hey, no, nice guy. Let me just. Oh, I know what to do.
I'm so sorry. Is your nose bleeding?
Now, you really caught me there.
I need a little taste. Why you get them twice? We the fish are friends, not food. Let's up food.
There's no way out.
And stop it. Hey, that's funny. It's not the same as this game.
Dory, you can read.
I can read. Oh, I can read.
Read the rest.
With my sword.
That's the drill, you wave. for a few minutes anyway. Goodbye, Animal Kingdom. Maybe we'll visit you again before we leave.
Welcome aboard, everyone. Please lower your head and watch your step. Please make sure everyone's properly seated, facing forward. No loud seating except for young children with their adults. No stroller seating. All strollers and wheelchairs must be folded, emptied, and stored away safely. There is no eating, drinking, and or smoking aboard this trip. If you have any larger items, please hold them down. They may obscure or turn your vision. We are headed out to the main car park, and also main car parking lot only. Please stop in dinosaurs, giraffe, yeti, and peacock.
Very nice, yeah, at least it's not too hot.
Welcome aboard, everyone. If you wish to board the train, cross over that yellow safety line. We're going to have a little last call for boarding, last call for boarding. Cross over that yellow safety line.
Who should you not like it?
Alright, and at this time, we're going to have no further boarding on this train. No further boarding. For my guests on board, please remain seated with the doors closed. Keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tram as it will be moving and supervise your children. Sit back, hold on tight, driver clear for dispatch.
Beep beep.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed. Keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the train is moving. And supervise your children. Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the train. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
We have Dinosaur 32 through 40.
We're recording. Okay, so we are back at our resort. We ran to Target after we left Animal Kingdom because we both did not bring extra socks. How weird is that? So anyway, and then we picked up some socks, and I didn't realize I was out of shampoo either, so I had to get shampoo. Lots of construction going on here. I told you guys that earlier, but they are all over, which is good. I like that they're renovating and making it all look nice. But so it's about 3 o'clock, and we are going to go upstairs and both take showers and get ourselves together for our reservation tonight. We are headed out to the Hoop-Dee-Doo review, so we will see you guys there. It was a nice day at Animal Kingdom, but it rained like the majority of the time that we were there, so we were pretty miserable. And yeah, it was pretty miserable when it rains. But anyway, nonetheless, we're in our room. Going to a room. Did your, oh, I was gonna say, your magic band work? Excellent. Good deal. Our room. Yeah, and there's my water. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go. Alright. So we are all nice and fresh now and revived and showered and our hair's all fresh now, and give us an hour, we're gonna look like hell. Because it's gonna be brutal. We won't look this good forever. It just sucks because I want to take cute pictures and we can't because by the time we're done with the park,
Oh, doesn't look like I have shorts on.
we're like that. Oh, because they're so short.
Yeah, you have legs.
Oh, you don't have fat legs. Hush. Hush. Tell this girl to hush.
Okay, maybe that looks
My brother. Anyway, Courtney was watching my brother, her uncle, on, I'm not even gonna go there. There's lizards all over this place. Okay, so we had went over here to this little like trading post to find out where you pay to do the horse and buggy ride, because I think Courtney and I are gonna do the horse and buggy ride tonight. See, there's private carriage rides, private rides too. Private carriage rides too. We're not doing the private one. We are gonna do the one though tonight at 8:30 because we've both never ever been on a horse and buggy, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and that was funny. So we're gonna go over here and pay for it, which is right by Pioneer Hall, by the bathrooms, they said. So, and they said there's one at 6 o'clock and one at 8:30, but we will be inside here, Pioneer Hall, watching Hoop-Dee-Doo Review. Well, at 6:15, but we won't be back in enough time. That was what I'm trying to say. There's a show going on right now. It's awesome. So there are bathrooms over here too. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, let's go check it out. Oh, what are they doing over there? Like, oh, photos? Photos right there.
Is that what they're doing?
Yeah. Photo passes. Oh, let's be nosy.
What?
Let's go be nosy. I want to see what they say. What are we doing? Hi! I was just trying to be nosy. I wanted to see.
Oh, be nosy.
Okay.
Take the photos for the Hoop-Dee-Doo.
Oh yeah, that's where we're getting ready to go.
Yeah. All right. Well, they haven't come out yet to road to
Awesome.
check you in. You can do your photo if you want to do that first.
Okay, this is her first time at the Hoop-Dee-Doo, so you get to hold the first sign.
If you want it. First visit.
Yes, she wants it.
We also have
Yes.
we also have the hoop sign.
Yeah. Oh, I want her to hold the first sign. I like the first thing. And that too, if she wants to. That's cute. Either way is fine. Yeah, that's cute.
I know this.
Awesome, Courtney.
Horseback run. You want to get in with them?
Sure. She can do one by herself, and then I'll go with her.
Stuff here. I'm gonna put you over here in the grass.
I'm gonna keep this on though.
Put you together now. Face me.
Nope, we're good with this too. Somebody goes back there? Of course they do.
Folks, everybody going to the barbecue?
Yeah.
Go to the end of the building, and then make a left, follow it all the way down.
Thank you.
No hoop sign?
No, I'm good. I have a picture with that.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.